knocking on the door, clothes and shoes all over the floor.
I said, hey man, why you act so big with your shiny pair of shoes? That's okay, you know, we got nothing left to lose. Better watch out now, or the world gonna kick your ass. And he said, that's okay, you know, because we're moving much too fast. Yo, we gotta get it wrong and get it right. Goes through the street and walking down the hill, baby and Johnny. Songs from another time, barely even got a dime. Stop my music and I float down the river. Did you find the truth that let go in you? And I feel red hot and blue.
Marais and the Mojo Train.